Okay, so we have a brake light here we're going to replace today. I've already got the brake light. Yeah, that's good. And that is the Sylvania, and the number is 3057. Alright, so there's a little panel right here. Just take that off.
This little panel?
Right here. Kind of.
Oh, this.
Yeah. Okay, now it's the very bottom bulb. It's going to be right here. See, there's 3 of them actually. That's the middle one, and then that's the bottom one. So with your hand, turn that counterclockwise. Just grab it, turn it counterclockwise until it snaps. Okay, now pull it straight out. Okay, now hold with the where your hand was at, and then pull the bulb straight out with the other hand. Okay, great. Okay, let's grab one of these. I'm going to give you some gloves because you probably got sweaty hands. Okay, so you're just going to snap it in, right? Did it snap in?
I believe so.
Feel pretty good about it being in there?
Yeah.
Okay, match it up with the slots now. There's like 3 slots.
What do you mean?
On that bulb holder there, and then there's slots in the main housing there.
Oh, okay.
Does it make any sense?
Mm-hmm.
Just have to feel it probably, and then turn it clockwise. Okay. Before we put the cover on, let's go ahead and see if it works. Okay, that's good. So that is pretty much it for putting that brake light bulb. This is a 2002 Camry. Go ahead and put the cover back on, the little panel cover. So again, that was this is Sylvania 3057. These come in twos. You know, you can't really get a single bulb. Maybe you can. Well, you can't at O'Reilly Auto Parts, which is where I bought these. Anyway, real easy to do. And thanks for watching the video, and have a great day. Take care.